Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the dump file creation failed error. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the error dump file creation failed due to an error during dump creation, this video will provide you with the solutions. The first approach involves running the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. To initiate this, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to open the Run window. Then, type mdsced and press Enter. This action will launch the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. Another effective solution is to perform a clean boot of your system. This error can sometimes be triggered by third-party software. A clean boot starts your system, with no third-party software enabled at startup, helping to isolate the cause. To do this, search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Ensure you check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. If any services remain checked, click on Apply, then OK and subsequently restart your computer. A System File Checker scan, often referred to as an SFC scan, is also a viable solution. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In this window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter to begin the SFC scan. Finally, as a general piece of advice, avoid overclocking your computer. Overclocking not only contributes to the error we are discussing, but can also lead to numerous other complex computer problems that are exceptionally difficult to diagnose and resolve. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.